So my intake has a throttle body, but it's seized up and corroded and shit, so I'm gonna use the B15 throttle body and just change one of the sensors and probably this piece on it. Got a gasket fit and the bolts, because you can see I only got one bolt in my intake. So I'm gonna clean this up, spray it black, clean up the bolts, put it in. Primered, taped off. Just gonna put a blackboard one. Just black. Plain black. Alright, second coat.
Searching for a beat.
Come on, I wanted it to be wet. So you gonna like drainage, but don't really care still. It's just a throttle board. Alright, last coat. Finito. I'm gonna leave it at that. Alright, I'm gonna hook up the throttle board now. Put in these studs. Yeah. Hold on, they're gonna get some anti-seize. Alright. Went and got some anti-seize, some of this on, and some ratchets. I'm gonna take this one off and put it on the wire wheel, clean her up. This is a way to, yeah, no problem, no still. This is not nothing to talk about. But putting back in the studs, you just put two nuts, opposite directions, and lock them in. Short one so I can spin it. This one of the fresh ones now. This one the fresh one, so I'm gonna put this on here. The side with the short thread has to go back into the intake manifold. The long thread is the one that pushes into the throttle body. Don't forget this.
What are you messing up here now?
Installing my throttle body. So I'm putting in new studs into the intake manifold.
This car drive
Before?
and
Yeah. Oh shit. This used to be my car I used to drive to college.
okay.
I bought this when I went to college. Alright, let me go get the throttle body now. I left it out here to bake in the sun still. Then take off the tape and shit. Don't want to spray no paint inside of them. So I just leave it there, get a little bit more sunlight, and go do something. Alright, so I put on all the studs, back on the throttle body, sensor, and all that shit, everything clean and I go and break the sensor on top. Yeah, this can screw and everything, you know. This is just a mock-up. I need to find a black one like that yellow now cutting. Then you install the AC condenser. Put in the AC condenser now. paint room as usual. Hood hinges. Just for the throttle cable. Radiator in. Pipes not hooked up. Don't worry about this. This one's staying like that, but just for now, yeah. Hide off a couple wires on there. This harness I just put it behind the ABS thing. You know, simple things, nothing big to this, dude. Oh yeah, and then the intake, I just have it there kind of long still, but you can run it through that hole. So I could put on my air filter. Our boom can. Call me the boom can specialist. After it's done now. Beezy way. Every day, all day. You understand? You understand from Beezy? Yo. First and second coat. First and second coat. Another night at the shop. Boom can specialist, you know. Yeah, boy. Out here, I'm on the welding round, yeah, so shop open late tonight. Beezy coming along. Time for the paint splatter. Alright. Red on the white paint splatter on. Let it dry a little bit and I'm going to give about 3 coats of clear coat. Or maybe 2 a little, you know, 2 thick layers if anything. We gotta worry about these. They just hinges still, to be honest. Beezy in the shop. I'm not leaving this shit outside for people to come rob my things, you understand? So I'm going to clear coat. Make sure, always make sure to shake up your can properly. Unless you have get bubbles, you don't want that. You want it to spray, you know, freely. Alright, man face dirty. But anyways, we can call it a night. Again, I'm going to end the vlog, yeah, in the paint shop. Yeah, the Beezy way. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. We out.
Searching